teachers are creators of wonders. They are creators of amazement. My name is Álvaro Santos. I sometimes think that one of the most challenging things is to bring the importance of school matters into our real life. It's important to work outside the classroom and find spaces where children can explore, can touch, where they can learn by doing. And perhaps one of the challenges is that students prefer to be sure they can be successful in their exams. We still don't have a culture that learning outside the classroom is really achieving progress in learning. The other challenge is to involve the community, to involve parents in the project. And I think if we can do this, we may get more people involved, more people in the boat.